Today, the average person has gone from having just a few passwords to managing upwards of 100. I'm Mike Bianco, VP of Information Security at Skyward, and today I'm sharing some tips for creating good passwords and managing them. When it comes to passwords, length beats complexity. Passwords with 16 characters or more are the hardest to crack. Use a random string of mixed case characters to create a memorable passphrase of 5 unrelated words. Believe it or not, passphrases are harder to crack than passwords. Make sure they're one of a kind. Remember to use a unique password for each account. This is where a password manager can come in handy. Password managers can save you the trouble of remembering dozens of passwords. They can also tell you when you have weak, reused passwords or compromised passwords. They automatically fill credentials into sites and apps using a secure browser plugin. And the best part is you only need to remember one master password for the manager itself. The Skyward software uses multi-factor authentication, which protects your account from being hijacked by bad actors. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.